Today has been such a good day for the non-phone work from home job leads, and I have one more for you today. But first, welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet, trying to find the best work from home job leads and bringing them straight to you on a daily basis. It helps me out tremendously if you leave in the comments anything specific you are looking for, or any degrees that you have, or any experience that you have. That lets me know what to look out for when I'm scouring the internet for these job leads. And as always, if you find any of these leads helpful, please give me a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that you are enjoying the job leads I'm providing. And also remember, sharing is caring. Feel free to share any of these videos with your friends and family so that we can all work from home and live happy, healthy lives. But without further ado, let's just jump on into today's job lead. It is with the company Protect Democracy. They are hiring a partnerships data associate. Now, Protect Democracy is a small collaborative fundraising team, and they play a critical role in securing the financial future of the organization. They try to prevent American democracy from declining into a more authoritarian form of government. So they try to achieve annual fundraising goals to manage their development database and overseeing wide gifts processing. Now, they do say they strongly encourage candidates from diverse backgrounds and across all political ideology spectrums to apply, so not just if you are a Democrat, and you can work remotely from any location in the United States. So this is nationwide for the United States. There are no state restrictions. The Partnership Data Associate will collaborate with the fundraising team to craft annual development goals and track the progress towards those goals. You'll do reporting and systems that track the fundraising progress against the annual and quarterly revenue targets. You'll shape best practices in database usage and ensure timely and accurate data entry in the development database. You'll produce the fundraising reports. You'll oversee the gift acknowledgement process, and you'll independently seek opportunities to build and improve the development operations. Now, the ideal candidate for this would have a passion for protecting and improving our democracy. You'll facilitate with data management to drive technical systems. You'll have excellent critical thinking skills, great attention to detail, some project management experience, and they want someone who has a belief that there is strength in diversity and a commitment to ensuring an inclusive workplace. Now, they do not require any degree for this position, and the best part of all is the salary range that they have posted is anywhere from $56,650 a year all the way up to $62,046 a year. Now, what you get priced in between the $56,000 and $62,000 mark is relevant to your experience and skills. And they also offer, along with the competitive pay, a great benefit package that includes 4 weeks of PTO per year, paid parental leave, 401k plan, and great health, vision, and dental plans. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.